let's make this graduation gift or door bow. Okay, so we're going to get started on this bow. The first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, which I love for tying off my bows. I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I could tie this bow actually onto a wreath if I wanted to put it on a door, or onto a wreath hanger to just hang it from the door. So now I'm going to take my 4-inch Lamé, and we're just going to fold it in half and find the center, and this is going to be our tails. Now we'll go to the overhead camera so you can see better what I'm doing. Then we have our garland, and I'm just going to go to the center of the garland and lay that down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my Lamé, and we're just going to twist it and fold and twist and fold and twist. Just make sure that my loops, whoops, nope, they're not the same. So let's make this a little bit bigger here. And fold and twist and fold it back over and twist. So all I'm doing is, because I want the right side of the ribbon to be on the outside of my loop, I'm just folding and twisting. So that's just our traditional fold and twist bow. Then what I'm going to do is we're going to make a funky bow or an awareness bow, and I'm going to do that by twisting and just folding this back over. So we're going to have a loop and 2 tails. And what's nice about this style of ribbon is it looks like you've got a lot, or style of bow, is it looks like you've got a lot more ribbon in the bow than you actually do. So we're just going to fold this back over, and again, just make my loops and scrunch that in. Then here I'm going to do a shoelace bow with my 2.5-inch polka dot ribbon. And if you want to know how much ribbon we're using or what ribbon we're using, just go into the description below this video, and we'll have the instructions on what is included. And we also put it at the very end of the video as well. And bring this back over here. And sort of shape that. Then I have a little piece of garland to just put in the center. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a good push. Scrunch everything down. Then I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire. I think I didn't, oh, there we go. Bring it up here. Pull it through my slip knot. Pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Pull it out. I'm going to separate the ends. Bring it around to the back. I'm just going to tie it. And tie it pretty tight and knot it. And then I'm going to just shape it. Bring my tails down. These tails down. And bring these loops out here. Bring these tails. Bring this loop here. This. Bring my loops there. And you have this very beautiful graduation, either door bow, it could be a wreath bow. Any graduate would love to have this on their gift as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.